Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead, and today I'm making an updated version of my homemade Bisquick video. Okay, you're going to need a cup of lard. Now you can use butter, you can use shortening, or you can even use coconut oil. I have a half a pound of lard in the fridge. I'm just going to use that up. You're going to need baking powder. You're going to need salt. You're going to need flour. And I beef mine up with instant powdered milk. You don't need this, but I use it. Now I don't know if I accidentally shut this camera off, but in here I have 6 cups of flour, 1 cup of skim milk powder, which is optional, 1 cup or a half a pound of lard, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of baking powder. And it was starting to fly all over the place, so I stopped my mixer and I noticed my camera wasn't working. So now, whoa! Yeah, that wasn't the brightest move in the game now, was it? Now let's see. This should look like a course meal, which it doesn't, because my lard wasn't cut up enough in here. So I'm going to put this back on. I'm going to put this on again, and I'm going to get this going again. Once it's started to be mixed and it's not going to kick flour up, then you can put it on high. And off it shuts. See how that's a nice crumbly mix? Now you would use this any way that you would use Bisquick. And I'm just going to dump this right into this flour tin. And into the refrigerator that goes, and I'll use a piece of chalk and I'll write on here Bisquick. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead, and that's how you make homemade Bisquick. Lot easier, lot more economical. Take care, God bless.